Hi, today we're here to talk about the Angle. This is the Angle. This is the retail packaging that you would find in a retail store. This particular version is Relax the Back, private label. The Angle comes in two different sizes, small and large. We'll talk about the differences in a minute. The Angle has 2 U.S. patents, has gone through a medical trial to prove its efficacy, and is paid for by the insurance companies when prescribed by the doctor for in-office use. So let's talk about the function. The lower part of the leg here rests on the longer side when facing up. The shorter part of the leg, the femur, rests here, and the knee fits squarely on the top. That's important for fitting the product to the patient so that you know you have the right size. Small size fits people up to approximately 5'6". 5'7" and above, large size. When the buttocks or your butt is sitting next to the Angle and you're on a flat surface like a bed, therapy table, floor, and your leg comes up and knee rests perfectly on the top here, creating this nice neutral posture, the function of the product allows the psoas muscle, by raising the femur to this 127 plus or minus 7 degrees, a perfect neutral posture or zero gravity position. By shortening the psoas muscle and allowing the lordosis in the lumbar or the curve in the low back to flatten, you've taken the pressure and stress off of the discs in the lumbar. The lower part of the leg, the foot rests here, foot here, ankle here, knee here, creates a passive traction by allowing this part of the leg to pull the pelvis towards the Angle very slightly and opening up the spaces between the discs. Now that you have a flat, straight spine and now you have a gentle traction, all the nucleus pulposus for bulging discs or herniated discs is allowed to remove its pressure from the spinal cord and then alleviate any of the pain associated with sciatica and all of the other associated pain ailments. Over time, very quickly, within 5 minutes, the passive traction will remove most of the pressure off of the spine, which is creating the spine to have the actual signal down the leg, which is sciatica, and you will actually be in an almost pain-free state within 5 minutes. If you have a really serious problem, it may take longer, but studies have shown over time, using the product for longer periods, such as all night, over time, eventually heals the issue for 99% of the people that use the product.